When Robert Bruce first discovered tea in Assam, he would never have imagined this region will become the hub of tea production of entire world. It is a normal trend for the tea produced in Golaghat to bag the maximum prices in the auction. It would be an understatement not to mention that Golaghat produces the finest quality of Assam tea.
Our factory follows the entire trustee system of manufacturing. We ensure that the product that comes to our factory is of a required standard. We don't purchase leaf which is damaged, which is very long. So we try to maintain a certain standard of raw material, and then once it is reached the factory, we immediately put it on the trough for withering. Okay, withering is a process where we remove some moisture and let some chemical reactions to take place within the leaf. Once this leaf is totally ready for manufacture, we take it to the manufacturing zone of our factory. It goes through this monorails in bags. Within the factory, we process it in such a way that the tea is totally hygienic, not contaminated by any kind of stones, bricks, wood, paint. We ensure that the food product that we produce is totally and purely hygienic and can be consumed by all consumers at maintaining total safety for their health. Once it reaches the factory, the leaf is processed in a machine called the CTC machine, where the leaf is cut, torn and then curled into small grains. This leaf then is allowed to ferment. Fermentation actually is a chemical process. We are letting the polyphenols and other chemicals which are within the leaf to be extracted, and then these chemicals, they react with oxygen of the atmosphere and produce two particular and important chemicals known as thiaflavin and thiarin. These are the two chemicals which give this characteristics of tea. The tea that is being manufactured which is coming out from the dryer, every hourly samples are taken from those teas and then we bring it to the testing room, where our testers are testing those teas for various parameters like the appearance of those teas, does it contain any fiber, and then those teas are brewed. That means they are boiled and put in a cup, and the testers, they test it, all the tea that is coming out hourly from the dryer. They test it for other parameters like the briskness, strength, color and aroma and all these things that are in the tea. The testers are also testing whether the tea contains any kind of stains, like paint, grease, oil, to see that even by error, no oil or any kind of grease has gone into a food product. So we maintain a very strict quality control by testing every hourly all the tea that has been manufactured. Again, those teas, once they are sorted into grades and being packed, before packing, those teas are again retested by our tester, and then they give a standard, they give a ranking of the tea, what kind of appearance, what kind of liquor, what kind of appearance, and only once the tester approves it, the tea is of the highest standard, then it goes for packing. You see, we make mostly primary grade of teas.
Okay.
The tea that we manufacture, about 90% of it is primary grades. Primary grade consists of grades like BOP, BOPSM, BP, PF, PD, dust. These are known as primary grades. and a very small percentage of tea that we manufacture are known as secondary grades. And in our factory, we do not do any reprocessing of tea. Reprocessing means the tea that has been discarded for some reason and then again reprocessed to manufacture.
Okay.
We maintain a very high standard of hygiene in our factory.
Okay.
All the tea that we process and then manufacture, we test it every hourly and even every grade before packing to ensure that this tea does not contain any kind of taints or any chemicals or any foreign materials like sand or iron fillings. And then these teas are again tested by the testers for its quality. Does it have the required quality standards? Does it have the particular aroma? Is it clean enough? So we always think that the teas we produce are much better than what our competitors are producing.
With the intent to take the legacy further, Tsangpool Tea was established by Mr. Biswajit Phukon in 2013. Tsangpool Tea Company ensures production of finest quality of tea by using advanced machineries in a very hygienic manner. The tea produced is mainly imported to various countries around the world.